special request from this dude. I don't know if you want me to say his name on this, but he want me to do the front seats on the 05 Altima. The Altima. I'm gonna do the front seats. I'm gonna show you how to take them out, put it back in. Let's get it, man. It shouldn't be that hard. Tools you will need. These bolts are like 14, so I'll get a wrench with a 14 on it and a speed gun with a 14 on it. Deep, short, doesn't matter. Whatever works. First, let's loosen it up. It's kind of tight, so let's use a wrench first. If your gun could speed that shit out faster, I'll use a wrench. Let's take this off. Okay, loosen it like that. Loose. Let's do this one. Loose. Okay. Just loosen those. Let's do the back first, then do the front. You have to pull the seat up to see the bolts in the back because it's in the way. So pull the seat all the way up so you can see the back ones. Now, soon you pull the seat up, you got these plastic shits on it. Let's take these shits off. And this one, take that off. And you're gonna take off this one on here, and this one. Yeah, it's just the top one, not these. You're just changing the seat. Just take those off. All right, let's loosen those. Okay. Shit. Okay. Loosen that one. All right, this one you're gonna need a deep one, so swap these. Okay. I like that. That. Now, let's use a speed drill. Use a short one, since it's here. Okay. Take this off like that. And this one. Take the bolts out. Now, let's do the front. Can't see the bolts, so put this back, put the seat back. Until you see both of these shits. Okay. Now, speed drill. Take that out. Take this one out. Now, push the seat back because there's connectors under here. Just push it back like this. Like that. See that? It's connectors for your airbags, all that shit. Seat. It's for your airbag right here. Take this off. Pull this back like this, and just pull on it like that. This one is right here. Just push down on that. Take that off like that, and that's it. Take the seat out. Do what you gotta do. When you put it back, let's put the connectors back. This. Like that. Airbag. Alright. Now the seat line up the seat good. The bolts. Just like that. It's tighten, you can tighten the front. Super tight, put it super tight. Use this. Use a wrench. Make sure it's tight. Alright, now let's put the seat up for the back. All the way up. Okay. Now. Okay. Put the bolts. 1 and 2. Let's tighten this up. Don't forget your plastic stuff, plastic piece. Put it in there. Put it on there. Just like that. And like that. Okay. That's it. Put your seat back the way you want it. And that's it. Passenger side is the same way. It's 2 bolts right here. But this one is not the button one. This one you have to do manually. So you gotta pull this up, pull the seat all the way up. Like that. And you see the bolts back here. Another one there. Another one there. Okay, this connector's down there. Just take them off like so. Take them off. And yeah, pull the seat out. Put all the bolts back. That's it. Just decide I don't have the plastic piece on there. Yeah, that's it. Put the seat back. Tighten your bolts. And that it. That is it. And that was it. Simple. Easy. If you have any questions, you already know, man. Comment below, man. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up if I helped you out on that. The dude who requested, let me know if that helped. Comment below. Don't forget to give me a like. Subscribe, man. Share my videos.